In this video, we're going to have a look at how to change someone from a presenter to an attendee before a meeting's happened. So depending on how your Teams has been set up by your company, most of the time when you create a meeting and add a Teams meeting to it, everyone will go in as a presenter, which basically means they can do everything. They can share their screen, they can record, and they can also mute other participants. But you might not want that to happen, and you can make those changes to individual meetings before they start. So the best way to do that is come into Teams and click on the calendar on the left hand side, find the meeting that you're looking for and click on that meeting. Just click once and you'll come into your meeting details screen. And what you're looking for is meeting options. It's in the top right in the middle. And when I click on meeting options, a browser is going to open and it's going to give me some information about my meeting. And dependent on how your organisation has set this up, yours might look slightly different. But mine's set up that people in my organisation can bypass the lobby and everyone can present. So it's the presenting thing that we're looking for at the moment. And if I click on that drop down, you can see that I can change that to just people in my organisation. So anyone external won't be able to do any of those things I mentioned. I can select specific people who I've already invited to the meeting, or I can say it's just me. So everyone else won't be able to record the meeting. They won't be able to share their screen or mute other participants. So I can click on those, decide what I want to do, and then just click on save. And I've then changed those settings for that individual meeting before the meeting happens. Have a go and look at those settings. Like I said, yours might look slightly different depending on the way your company's been set up, but you've got full control over each individual meeting.